Okay, here we are at the back end of the Tesla Model Y. And the first thing I want to do is I want to show you what we think is happening with the three rows of seats. We know that there's a third row in here, and we're pretty sure it's going to be rear facing. So let's take out the two closeouts here and show you what we think is going to be the way that kids and agile adults, even old guys, are going to get into here. So I think that I think this is it. And quite frankly, you can see I've got a little bit of headroom. I'm hoping nobody goes over some big bumps, but at the end of the day, this is semi-comfortable for an old guy who's average size. I didn't have a problem getting in, and I don't have a problem getting out either. It's got little storage things on each side, which means that if you put the kids in here, you can do something about trying to keep them occupied. Let's look at the other feature that I kind of like, because this is good for egress in case of an emergency. You've got the ability to drop the seats, and so consequently, if you need to get out, you can get into the back and then out. So, but sometimes things happen. So let's go and talk about the one feature that I knocked Tesla on last time, but it's getting closer as far as I'm concerned this time. So let's go down here. Now, we already did some filming before, and I said I couldn't find the service release, but here's where it is. So first we take out this mat, and then you can see there's a little closeout right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick a screwdriver in, it pops right out. So just a blade screwdriver, push it down, and it pops right out. When you get underneath it, you find this little doodad here, this little sponge tape, and then you pull on that, and you can probably not hear the latch, but you can hear the latch moving. I can hear it moving. So that opens it up. Now, that's okay, but this little closeout thing is expensive. I think we might have a better idea. So let's go to the other side where we've made some modifications. So anyway, first let me bring my light back. So now you can see what's going on. So I'm in the back seat and I need to get out, and for some reason or other the doors aren't working, or maybe the 12-volt battery system isn't working, or who knows what. But anyways, I pull this out, and now what we'd like to see Tesla do maybe is take a suggestion and save themselves probably, well, this is worth about a dime, but unfortunately it's attached to that, which means that it may be worth more money. So this looks like PP or something like that, and it's probably got talc in it or something. We can get rid of that, and all you really need is a little hole. And if somebody needs to get in, we just grab a hold of, in this case, adopt a platoon. Just take that, pick it up, pull at it, and all of a sudden now you can get out, no problem. Or get in if you like, no problem. So I think that this is kind of a little suggestion, but like I say, I don't need to do that extra molding. That's going to be saving a few bucks, because again, this is attached to the pocket, the pocket well, and so save money and probably make it easier for either somebody trying to get out of the car, or somebody trying to service a car. Anyway, thanks very much again for viewing in, and make sure you tip that cashier.